Hi, I'd like to welcome you to Pharmacoepidemiology, EPID426 or PSOP426. I know several of you might be from different departments, including the Department of Pharmacy, from the School of Public Health, and I'd like to really especially welcome our new certificate students to the program, so that, or to the class, I'm sorry, so that you all will have a chance to get to know each other over the course of the year. You'll have a chance to get to know me. One of my goals as part of this program, or part of this class, is to get to know each of you individually and understand why you're taking this class, what you'd like to learn through this class, and how I can help to facilitate that. Let me give you a sense of what the class is going to be about, or is going to be like. The goal of pharmacoepidemiology is to really provide an introduction to the issues that are relevant to pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacovigilance. Well, how are these relative, or how are these important to you in your current job, or to you in your graduate studies? How do they relate to what you've learned in previous classes, either in epi or biostatistics or in pharmacy? My goal is to try to tie each of those concepts together in pharmacoepidemiology, to talk with you about the key concepts and principles that are specific to pharmacoepidemiology when you're thinking about how do medications affect large populations of patients, which really is the core of pharmacoepidemiology. My goal is to inform you about the drug approval process, how do drugs get approved in the United States and elsewhere throughout the world, and how does that relate to the surveillance aspect, understanding whether or not these drugs are safe in terms of a pharmacosafety, pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacosafety concept. I want you to understand key concepts in pharmacoepidemiology. What are the key study designs? What are the key issues in each of these study designs? How do they relate to each of your jobs and each of your areas of research? You're going to be able to identify data sources for conducting pharmacoepidemiology and pharmacovigilance studies. You're going to be able to use those data sources in your research or in your day-to-day job. I want you to be able to then evaluate the literature. What are the strengths and limitations of the studies that have been conducted to identify drug safety problems? All of this leading to an overall, a better understanding of pharmacoepidemiology, pharmacovigilance. That's my intent, is to help you in your day-to-day job and through your studies in this